Okay, let's do a updated refrigerator. Whatever. Have Southern Pecan Creamer, it's caramel macchiato, iced coffee, orange juice, buttermilk, milk, peaches, cookie dough, leftover steak, yogurt, pickles, eggs, butter, salsas and stuff, pickles, leftover sloppy joes. It's that new carving board barbecue. This is sour cream. I have brown rolls, sub rolls, tortillas, butter, cornbread dressing because we're having that today. Cheeses, bacon, ham, tomatoes, all the veggies, and cheese. Ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, jellies, salsas, salad dressings, waffles, omelets, meat, chicken, pork chops, stew beef, bacon, just all kinds of stuff.